Today I will discuss Grignard, one of the most important reaction called Grignard reaction for NEET preparations. But first I need to know how to prepare Grignard reagents. Yes or no? Suppose if we take alkyl halides, any alkyl halides, X, iodo, but iodo is better than bromo, then chloro. We can make it easily for iodo compound, then bromo, but difficult make it chloro compounds, certain compounds, okay? Then you need to have very good quality of magnesium, like silver, looks like silver mirror, and oxygen strength 0, okay? Then you need to have dry ether, of course dry ether, no water, no moisture, anything, under inert atmosphere, inert atmosphere, okay? Mainly argon atmosphere, nitrogen atmosphere, like that. So we'll get is the on top of organometallic reaction, right? So this one. This is minus, this is plus. Am I clear to you? This is called Grignard reagents, right? There you know.
Dry ether and what?
Dry ether are under inert atmosphere. Inert means if there is no moistures. We have to push,
Yes,
we
sir.
have to use under nitrogen or argon atmosphere.
And magnesium oxide.
Which one?
The catalyst MgO, right?
RMGX. RMGX. Grignard reagents. Grignard reagents. This is minus, this is plus. This acts as a nucleophile. This is a plus. This is called Grignard reagent, right? I'm writing this here. Grignard reagents separately. RMGX, right? This is a minus, this is the plus. Right? I mean, which is nucleophile? R is the nucleophile here. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, tell me, if you use it water, what is the product? If you treat with D2O, what is the product? If treat with alcohol, what is the product? If you treat with acetylene, what is the product? We'll get alkane, right? You'll get deuterated alkane. You get again alkanes. You get again alkane. How? See my tips. Suppose if you can write like this, right? So is it nucleophile? Attack here. Get this. DOD, right? Attack DOD. Yeah, data nucleophile. This proton, right? Protons. Again, we'll attack this protons. This is the acidic proton. So we'll get this. Okay, this is important for your board as well as competitive exams. All alkanes, right? Am I clear to you?
Yes.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you use carbon dioxide, you know carbon dioxide linear molecule, right? For
Yes.
the nuclear attack here. This is nuclear electrophilic center. We'll break this bond. What will happen now? R CO 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 O minus MgX plus, right? So H3O plus acid, right? So ROH acid, right? Am I clear to you?
Mm.
So now, any doubt? Suppose if you use,
Can,
tell me.
can you explain this again? I didn't understand.
Yeah, this is nucleophile. While you attack carbon, the carbon is a nuclear molecule. This is the electrophilic center. This is carbon is electrophilic center. You attack here. Then automatically it will break the bond. So CO, or I made a mistake actually. This is C. This is C. CO. This is I wrote down this CO O minus MgX. Am I clear to you? This is a salt, right? So
Yes, sir.
you'll get acidific and get this molecule. Am I clear to you?
Okay, yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now you tell epoxide. Similar epoxide, right? This is symmetrical, you will attack this either side, right? So we'll get corresponding R says to O minus Mg plus. Is this solved? With good acidifications, is generally you will saturate aminonuclear solutions. You will get corresponding R says to S. Am I clear to you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you do nitrile. What is the electrophilic? This is electrophilic center. This is the carbon electrophilic center. So nearby attack here. Get corresponding this one. So we'll get R C R N minus MgH plus. This is called imine, right?
Yes, sir.
Double imine is called. Imine, if you know, imine get hydrolysis. Imine get hydrolysis, get this bond. You get the corresponding H3O plus acid hydrolysis. If you have imine anytime, imine get corresponding hydrolysis, get corresponding ketone. Just follow my tips. Double bond, oxygen, oxygen. Am I clear to you?
Yes,
Any doubt? Now, if it
yes,
is either it is aldehyde or aldehyde, sorry, aldehyde, I have done this, all ketones, right? Or ketones. If you H take aldehyde, if you take ketone, R, it will be correct. So that the electrophile is the electrophile, you get an attack, get the bond. Am I clear to you? O, CO minus MgX plus. So, R, hydrogen or methyl. Now do the hydrolysis. H3O plus. What will you get? You get R, COH, R, either hydrogen or this. If we now you have a introduction of two alkyl group, right? Introduction of one alkyl group, right? New alkyl groups.
yes, sir.
Now, if you take either ester, this is the ester, right? Or acid chloride. In this case, you need two equivalent of Grignard reagent. Two equivalent of Grignard reagents. Grignard reagent. Why? The question sometimes come. All the reaction you need non-equivalent, 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 right? Generally, it is take 1.2 equivalent, right? In this case, in today 2.4, 2.2 equivalents, okay? Means double equivalent. Why? Because R minus will attack first here, it will go there, come back, get eliminated. So we'll get introduction of one molecule, one R molecule, right? Have a ketone, then another molecule will attack here, right? So we'll get R CO minus Mg X plus. So it's the introduction of three alkyl groups here. Introduction of two alkyl groups, right?
Yes, sir.
Then do the hydrolysis, gives corresponding OH plus R plus R, right? So introduction of two
Yes,
alkyl groups. Am I clear to you?
yes, sir.
So everywhere you are using one equivalent of Grignard reagents. Okay, but in this case, you need two equivalent of Grignard reagents. Why? First, this group will be eliminated, followed by attacking the carbonyl groups. Get the corresponding alcohols. Am I clear? This is a tertiary alcohol, right?
Yes, sir.
This is a mainly secondary alcohols, depending on the substrate, right? This is a tertiary
Yes, sir.
alcohols. Am I clear to you? Any doubt?
Could you, the imine one, could you explain how the
Amine,
hydrolysis happens?
yes. Amine, if you take any type of amine, if you hydrolyze, get the bond, get the keto. Okay, follow my tips. Amine,
So
if you hydrolyze, get the corresponding keto.
how does that happen? Can you explain? Like, how does it get hydrolyzed and